look at this slide. I play it once again. I created it in a different way, and also I gave an animation to it. I select this chart and I create a new slide. Let's see how this work was created. If you have a right click on this, it doesn't have the edit data option because it's not a chart, it's a shape that I made it with the PowerPoint shape that I will tell you how did I make this. And again, we have a gray rectangle shape that it shows the emptiness of our chart, and we have a rectangle shape that a woman icon is deleted from that, and the points is this. That chart should be between the gray rectangle and the woman shape, and the tip is that I gave an animation to this shape that is used as a chart. So look at the animation pane. I gave a wipe entrance animation and one pass animation. That's all. It has nothing special, and the tip isn't displaying, and the wave shape that exists here. For making this, I create a simple rectangle from insert and shape. Then I get help from the circle shape that I can change the color here. To create the wave shape in this way, and then I selected the rectangle shape, and by holding the shift key I select all the circles, and from format section and merge shape I select the subtract option, and I create a shape like this that it can be used as a chart.